Friends, there is a gap that exists for every creator between the initial idea and the final product. This gap is filled not with more creativity, but with the necessary tasks of structuring, designing, and formatting across multiple platforms. These steps, while essential, consistently interrupt the creative flow. This is the core problem that Skywork is built to solve. My name is Daniel, and in this video, I will show you how it connects everything into one unified workspace. We'll start with nothing but a core concept for a new course. Then we will let Skywork handle the entire production chain to build a complete digital product. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get started. Folks, Skywork is an intelligent workspace that turns your raw ideas into polished content. It's designed for your natural flow, whether you sketch, type, or think out loud, and it structures those initial thoughts into clear, actionable formats. Everything happens in one place. A core document can evolve into a presentation, and that presentation can then fuel a script for a video. Mates, each new asset builds directly upon the same original idea, and everything remains within a single workspace. This deep integration eliminates the tedious busy work of reformatting and rebuilding content from scratch for every new platform. So you are no longer an operator switching between tools. You become a director, and Skywork handles the production. Now, my friends, let me walk you through a real example. I want to systematize my knowledge about creating viral reels and turn it into a proper course or guide. This is exactly the kind of project where Skywork shines, because it handles multiple content types without making you start from scratch each time. I type my prompt describing what I need, then select the Documents option and send my request. The system begins processing immediately, breaking the work into 3 clear stages. You can watch each step unfold in real time. Within seconds, the course outline appears on screen. Everything is organized into modules and lessons, with detailed points under each section. Folks, this reflects the specifics of what I asked for, not some generic template. If I want to refine anything, I can use AI editing or add functions. It's possible to highlight specific sections and bring them into the chat for quick adjustments. Built-in tools let me expand sections, shorten others, or adjust the tone to match my style. Next, I generate a cover and a table of contents. The cover looks clean and professional. The table of contents is fully functional, so clicking any item jumps me straight to that section in the document. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now that the course structure is ready, I want to create a podcast based on this material. Instead of repeating my entire request, I just click the Add command. This pulls up my knowledge base, where I select the file Skywork just made. Then I write a simple prompt, explaining what I want to do with it. The platform asks me to confirm details like the podcast name, format, and whether I want 1 speaker or 2, or I can let the AI decide all of that. Most of the default settings look fine to me, so I continue. Then it generates a to-do list, in case we want to add tasks. Mates, the system shows us which web pages the agent is analyzing. Then the podcast script appears, and I can listen to a preview right away.
Welcome to Stop the Scroll Strategies. This is your Reels domination coach, and today we're diving deep into the most critical element of your Instagram Reels success: hooks that capture attention in the first 3 seconds.
Folks, as you can see, it sounds pretty good. Now I want to design a poster for the course. I describe what I want to see and include the text I need. Skywork gives me design direction options and lets me choose the aspect ratio. The result looks great, and the colors match the cover I generated earlier. If I want to tweak something, I just select that element and leave a comment describing the change. For example, folks, let's move the title text to the bottom. The system regenerates the poster instantly without messing up the rest of the design. Finally, I generate a website where people can learn about the course and sign up. I use the Add command again to pull in the outline from my knowledge base. Then I paste a prompt and let the system build the site. Guys, the result appears in seconds. The color scheme matches everything else I have created, which keeps the branding consistent. All the necessary sections are there, and the layout looks professional. I still can edit the site using AI editing and other tools. There is also a mobile version that works perfectly. Just as I asked, having this many tools in one workspace makes a real difference. Everything connects smoothly, and the workflow feels natural instead of fragmented. Moreover, guys, Skywork has recently integrated video, speech, and music generation features, as well as video editing capabilities. Each function is powered by top-tier industry models, like Nano Banana, enabling seamless extension of workflows from text to rich visual and audio outputs. Alright, my friends, here is what stands out about Skywork. It takes the friction out of content creation by keeping everything in one place. You can move from idea to result without bouncing between apps or losing track of your files. Whether you are launching a digital product, developing marketing materials, or organizing complex projects, this platform can be of a great help. So if you've been looking for a way to streamline your workflow without sacrificing quality, Skywork is worth exploring. Mates, try it out using the link in the description to get a 20% discount on your subscription. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.